In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create a Seedance 2.0 video for just $1. Well, the tool that we're going to use is Novoads AI, that is a new software that have a trial of just $1. With this trial, you have 10 credits, which permits you, for example, if we go here to settings, Seedance 2.0, and we put 15 seconds, you can see that a 15 seconds video with Seedance 2.0 cost less than the 10 credits that Novoads gave for the trial. So now let's try the tool. I'm going to create a very short video to show you. I'm going to choose 5 seconds. And now here I'm going to paste this prompt. This is a very simple prompt where I just say a dialogue and I say to the AI that I don't want music and that I want that the video is only her speaking, saying this. So now here I'm going to click to upload the image that I want the AI to use as a reference. So let's click here. And now we have to click here. As you can see, this video is going to cost only 3 credits. So with the trial, you could do like 3 videos like this one, and you would have 1 credit left. So now let's click here and now click in generate. Perfect. Here is the video being generated. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
I love this serum. It's the best I've ever tried.
Well, as you can see, the video looks realistic and very professional. So now you know, if you want to try Novoads AI, you can do it for just $1. And with that, you can create Seedance 2.0 videos without watermark, as I said, for just $1. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.